Nvidia, the company based in Santa Clara in California, which is in the vanguard of making these very expensive, very fast AI microchips, was in the news all day here on Wall Street on Wednesday. Even though the earnings came out after the closing bell, after the main day had finished, it dominated a lot of thinking. And that is because Nvidia is a $3 trillion company. And what Wall Street was worried about is whether they would say that things were better than Wall Street anticipated or worse, or whether they would be able to increase their guidance or not. Well, Wall Street didn't know the answer to that when they closed, but Wall Street was also looking at the other big issue of the day, which is the Russia-Ukraine situation, which appears to be hotting up. So with all of that said, with Nvidia going into its announcement with shares down by between 0.7% and 2%, the markets were mixed at the end of it all. The Dow was up 1/3 of 1%, 43.4 on the clock, 43,400, a gain of 1/3 of 1%. The Nasdaq down 1/10 of 1%, and the S&P 500 was in the green, but absolutely as flat as a pancake. It was only just up by the smallest amount. Well, now we come to Thursday, and on Wall Street we'll be looking at Baidu, the Chinese Google, to give us their earnings, and also John Deere, the maker of combine harvesters and tractors and other farming equipment. Very well known because they are normally painted in green and yellow colors. All of that then to come later today on Thursday. John Terrett, CGTN, on the trading floor of the New York Stock Exchange.